In this video, we'll be installing our rear subframe chassis brace on a 2010 Honda Civic. This kit also includes the mounting hardware. Here are the tools we'll be using today. We have a large electric impact wrench, a large extension, a large torque wrench, and a 14mm deep socket. First, we'll lift up the vehicle for better access to the underside. Here's where to install the mounting bracket. Just insert it into the hole located in the center of the chassis, and be sure that this metal strip is facing forward. Then do the same for the other side. Now we're ready to install the rear subframe chassis brace. Align the hole at the end with the mounting bracket, and install the bolt using the 14mm socket. And repeat for the other side. Now, we need to tighten the bolts using the impact. Last, we'll use the torque wrench and torque the bolts to 70 Newton meters or about 52 foot-pounds. Lower the car, and we're all done.